No. Are you okay, kid?
Well, so this button summons the doctor.
No, kid. That's an emergency button. You can only press it in an emergency.
Don't kill the vibro.
I am not your bro.
This doctor sucks.
Are you okay?
I am hungry.
What?
Can you bring me food? You said to press it in an emergency, and I urgently need food.
That's it, kid. Press it again, and I will call your mom. And don't forget to take your medicine. Make sure you take the blue one.
Got it. Stupid doctor. I ate the whole pack of the red ones. But wait a second. I ate the wrong one. But what is the red medicine for? I ate the whole pack of the poop medicine. Please help me, doctor.
I won't fall for it again.
I can't hold it any longer.
And this is why you don't prank the doctor. Like and sub if you agree.